for coming here. It's really great pleasure for us to welcome you from all over the world. And I'm Su Fishimoto, an architect. I'm doing the whole master plan of this expo. And especially this grand ring is part of the master plan. So designing and detailed design and construction supervising. I'm really deeply involved into this program. But not only this grand ring, but the entire master plan I have been doing. And the concept of the master plan is, this is like a circle shape. And this is like a main circulation path. So thinking about the Japanese climate conditions with rainy or strong sunlight in summer, we need a roof for the main circulation path. But it is not just a roof. It's like a symbol of this expo, which is diversity and the unity. Because now we have a lot of different cultural background and different people and the different activities and the different futures we have. But at the same time, those kind of diversity should not be just divided. I feel diversity and the unity together is very important. Respecting all the differences, diversities, but at the same time respecting such a unity and thinking about our future together. That is very special meaning of the expo now. Especially the beginning of this 21st century, the entire world is not so stable. So I think the meanings of coming together here from all over the world and meet to each other face to face and talk to each other together, because Expo is 6 months. So staying here together for 6 months and thinking about and talking about our own future together, that is very, very important. And then symbolizing that kind of a unity and wonderful meeting place, I designed this very simple circular shape, because this is almost the most simplest shape, the circle. And then everybody from different cultural background, different generations, everybody can recognize, wow, this is a place now. So many people, so many countries are gathering together to create that kind of a unity. So that is like a very simple but strong meanings of this master plan. And of course, this is big roof, 30-meter wide, and then inner side 12-meter high, and then outer side is a 20-meter high. So it's a very big spaces, but so many people, visitors will come. So this capacity are needed. And then this is not only the roof, but you can go on top of the roof. Then you will look down all the pavilions gathering inside. Or you can look out to the city of Osaka or sea of Setouchi or all the surrounding beautiful environment. So this is also like the viewing platforms. And one around is 2 kilometers. And if you walk all around, then you will overview all the different pavilions and all the activities and all the visitors and the events and so on. So this is also like a huge amphitheater in a sense, like symbolizing the unity of the world. Construction-wise, this is made by wood, because as you know, thinking about the sustainability, I think in Europe or North America or Africa or Asia, Singapore, most of the world is now really looking into the wooden construction, large-scale wooden construction, because of the sustainability. The trees is growing and then catching the carbon dioxide. And then once we cut, we replant the trees. So this cycle of the forest and cycle of the architectural materials is very sustainable. That's why now the world is looking into the possibilities and futures of the large wooden construction. And in Japan, we have very long history of the wooden construction, like from more than 1,000 years ago, traditional Japanese architecture, especially this Kansai area, Osaka, Kyoto, Nara. We have that kind of the history. So that's why I try to combine history and the latest technology of this large-scale wooden construction together to create this like the future wooden construction. And the joints of this column and the beams is inspired by the traditional Japanese wooden construction. You can see we have a hole on the columns, and then the beams is sticking in, and the I forgot the English name of this plug. Yeah, plug will make it stable. Traditionally, we use the wooden plug, but in here, because of this large scale and because of this latest architectural regulations, we need more stronger joints. That's why we combine metal joints and wooden columns and the timber together to update the traditional method for the future. So this is like the meeting point of this history, tradition, and the future, and the sustainability and the latest technology. This is basically the repetition of the same units, the span and the columns. But sometimes we shift it. As you can see, we shifted this location of the columns so that it's not like just a boring same repetitions, but always like the sequences is changing. And you can see all the pavilions is now under construction. So this is like the main circulation path. And once you start to walk around, you will see different pavilions next to next. And 2 kilometers is big. But yeah, 1 month ago I walked all around, but it's rather, because it's always, the scenery is changing. So it's really like a wonderful, like a walking path. After here, we walk. Oh, we go up. Oh, okay. So well, after this, we go up, and then you will overview how the constructions and how big is the entire ring. And in the middle of this expo site, I designed a forest to symbolize the life or our future together with the nature. So that is like the beautiful forest, and then the wooden rings is around it. So entire master plan is, of course, we have a mini street and artificial architectures and everything, but we always like to show the life, our future should be together with the nature, and then the harmony between nature and then the artifacts is getting more and more important. Harmony of the entire world, and then harmony with the nature. So both of them are here. And yeah, that's the basic explanation.